Dear children, welcome to Class 4, Lesson 16, Our Surroundings from Environmental Studies from our book, Think Green, book number 4. So, in this lesson, the learning objectives will be as follows. Students will understand our surroundings include air, water and land. They will understand the importance of keeping our surroundings clean and the importance of the 3 R's and advantages of recycling. So, let us begin. Our surroundings include the air, water and land around us, in our homes, our neighborhood and even our schools. These surroundings play an important role in our lives. We all like to live in clean, ventilated house, don't we? In the same way, the environment around us must be kept clean. It is important to live in clean surroundings for leading a healthy life and to avoid sickness. Importance of a clean environment. Cleanliness plays a very important role in keeping us healthy. We take bath, we brush our teeth, and we wear clean clothes every day. A healthy body also needs clean environment. Thus, hygiene and sanitation play a very important role. Dirty surroundings help in the growth of germs that causes diseases like cholera, typhoid and dengue. Dirty, stagnant water is the breeding ground of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes cause malaria. Name one thing in our house where mosquito breeds easily. Let's see what are those places where we might be helping in mosquitoes to breed. Any more guesses, my dear children? Find out more places where we might be breeding the mosquitoes. Now, let's come to the next topic, waste materials. Waste refers to those things which have no use and are not needed anymore. It can be in solid or liquid form. Almost all our daily activities produce some waste which is thrown away into the garbage can or waste bin. Now, what are wastes? Wastes can be of 2 types, biodegradable wastes and non-biodegradable wastes. So all the waste that we generate can be divided into 2 types. Fruit, vegetable peels, old clothes, fallen leaves, old newspapers and leftover food decay, degrade and become part of the soil. These wastes are called biodegradable wastes. Polythene bags, plastic objects, aluminum or metal or ceramic etc. which do not decay and degrade easily are called non-biodegradable wastes. Disposal of waste is a very important thing. Disposal of waste is very important part of a clean environment. The collection and disposal of garbage is very important. Garbage breeds germs if not disposed of properly. Waste disposal can come under two categories, the liquid waste and the solid waste, as we've seen. Liquid waste can be got rid of by some by dumping it in water body, or otherwise, preferably, the liquid waste can be treated in water plants and they can be processed and made again fine enough to be reused after processing. And if the waste is a solid waste, there are a few different kinds in which we can get rid of them. They can either be dumped in open ground, or they can go for incineration where the waste is burnt. And they can also be used for sanitary landfills, or they can be dumped in composite pits. So let us have a better view of the whole process. Disposal of liquid waste. Wastewater from our houses should go through drains into underground pipes. These are the underground pipes which lead to the main sewage line. And these pipes lead to the water treatment plant where the harmful substances are separated from water. Disposal of solid waste. Waste generated at home, offices, schools, etc. is collected by garbage collectors. They are dumped in the garbage dumps made by the municipality from here. Garbage is collected by the municipal trucks and usually dumped in open ground outside the city. The garbage in open dump area is left for a period of time where it keeps decaying. But this is not a safe method of disposal as germs breed here. So, the other method of disposal of garbage is burning it. Incineration is a process of burning waste in big furnaces or incinerators. Here, waste turns into ash and harmful gases are released. So, this is also not very safe. The next option is sanitary landfill. This is also used for disposal of garbage. In sanitary landfills, deep pits are dug and the waste is put into it. It is then covered by a thick layer of soil. In compost pits, the biodegradable wastes are left there for a long period of time. This waste then turns into manure and is later used to make the soil fertile. The pits are reusable and manure is also very good. So as we can find out, waste management plays a very important role. So it is important to find a solution to the problem of waste disposal. There are three important things that need to be followed to control the waste problem. These are the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce, it means to use less. That is, reduce the number of things we use, that is natural resources as well as energy. We should switch off electricity when not in use. We should buy only what we need and we should not store things which are not needed. We should always carry a cloth bag for shopping and avoid using plastic bags. Reuse. It means to use things again. For example, the plastic or glass bottles in which we buy various food items like jam or pickle can be reused for storing different things in the kitchen. We can make art and craft material from all bottles, cartons, papers, etc. We can use cloth napkins, handkerchiefs and hand towels instead of paper tissue and paper napkins. Recycling. This is yet another process where the waste materials are processed and treated to form useful things which can be used again. We can recycle some of the waste materials and make useful things out of them. Recycling is used of materials like paper, glass, aluminium, plastic, etc. instead of discarding them. Recycled material is processed and treated again so that it can be used properly. The advantages of recycling. We save our natural resources like trees, soil, water, etc. by recycling. When you recycle paper, you cut less trees and make newspaper. We save energy as energy is used by factories to make new things. And we save environment by reducing the amount of waste product by factories. So did you know? By reducing 3 R's, you can reduce the carbon footprint, and that the energy to recycle paper is 70% less than that required to make it from raw materials. You can make shoelaces from recycled plastic bottles. If you like the video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for viewing it. We will meet again next time with another video on any of the previous topics. Bye bye for now.